A heavy winter storm has dumped several feet of snow in the western U.S. state of Colorado, knocking out power, closing roads and causing flight cancellations and delays. The major storm has shut down a highway that connects Denver to Colorado ski resorts. While the snow is a boon to Colorado's ski industry, several ski slopes were closed because of the extreme weather. At Denver International Airport, over 800 flights were cancelled and over 300 were delayed. According to reports, over 82,000 citizens in Denver were left without power. The storm began on Wednesday night and is expected to continue through Friday morning. The heaviest snow accumulations are expected in Colorado's Front Range region, where the vast majority of the state's population lives. Areas such as Aspen Hills reported snow totals as high as 38.5 inches. According to the National Weather Service, Denver receives an average of 11.5 inches of snow in March.